Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can remove Capcut watermark or Capcut logo. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have created a project in my Capcut mobile application, and usually if we create a project in Capcut, we will get this Capcut logo at the end of our video. And if we want to remove it, we just need to tap on the ending and we can simply click on the delete button. And as you can see that the Capcut ending has been removed from my video. But if we create new project, the ending or the Capcut watermark will appear again. And I'm going to show you how we can permanently remove this Capcut ending. You can go to your account and go to the Capcut setting, and here we need to turn off the default ending. You can click on this toggle button to turn it off, then you can click on discard, and after that the Capcut ending or the Capcut watermark won't appear on your project. Alright guys, and that's all the way to remove Capcut watermark. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.